Hello friends, welcome to the Java features. Going forward with the stream API, I'm just going to explain one of the method of the stream interface, which is sorted method. So first create a list like this, integer my list equal to arrays as list 6 1 19 18 3 5 19 1 4. That's all. Okay, so I would use here like my list dot stream dot sorted method. It's a simple one. We can use now print with the for each loop, and here system dot out dot println we can use here, and now we can print like t. And what is t? Here is the body of the method t, and lambda expression this. Here it goes. Run it. Of error. What is the error? Bracket is not closed. Okay, run it. Now you can see 1 4 5 6. It is not in the sorting order, and which is the default nature of it. What we would do if we have to customize our sorting? So let's create another one. We have the another method which is sorted. Here we have to pass the comparator reference. So let's go inside the sorted method. Go to the comparator, and here you can see that compare is the abstract method, and there are no more methods which are abstract here. So this is the functional interface as verified by the annotation of equal. What happened here are two abstract methods. So how this is the functional interface? There is a one turn here. This equal method is overridden from the object class, so it would not be counted into the abstract method as the definition of the functional interface. And what the Java has provided the definition of functional interface. Let's read that. What is that? Go here. An informative annotation type used to indicate that an interface type declaration is intended to be a functional interface as defined by the Java language specification. Conceptually, a functional interface has exactly one abstract method, since default methods have an implementation. See here, these default methods are also not counted as the abstract method because these are the implementation. These are the as the body has been provided here, and they are not abstract. If an interface declare an abstract method overriding one of the public method of java.lang.object, what they are saying, if an interface declare an abstract method overriding one of the public method of the java.lang object, that also does not count towards the interface abstract method count, since any implementation of the interface will have an implementation from java.lang.object or elsewhere. They are clearly saying that if any interface which has overridden method from the object class which also does not count with the abstract method. So here if I put the count of the abstract method inside this interface, so 1, and this would not be counted as the abstract method as per as the functional interface definition. So let's go back here. If you want to see the example, like you can see, oh, I remove what happened now, is it not working? Remove it. Uncomment this section. Like this. So this is, I have put it here, the functional interface annotation, but it's not giving us an error because this is overridden from the object class. So you can just verify by giving the annotation override. So this is the overridden method, it's verified. So it has only the one abstract method inside the comparator interface as we have seen here. So don't worry about that. Here now go to back, like I have to pass the comparator reference here. So what I have to pass here, like comparator you can pass, like you can use in the different line or you can use in the same line. Here I am using here like the comparator, the object was compare, there were we, you have to give the two argument when you override the method compare. So give two argument like obj1 comma obj2, clear, and put a lambda expression here. Go to the put a lambda expression here. Now go to the next line. Here what I would do, I would use multi-line statement, so I have to use the curly braces. What is that? If obj1 greater than obj2, then what it would return? Return 1. If obj1 less than obj2, return -1. If obj1, the last condition is else, return 0. Clear? Let's format it, Control I. Okay, now it has been compared. Now you have to print it for each lambda expression like this, and t as by as system dot out double colon print ln. What's the error? Here you can print it right in this way as well. So run it, F11, 1 4 it's in sorting order. Okay, so if you change like -1 +1, run it, it's in des- descending order. Okay, so it was all about this sorted method. Thanks, please subscribe